Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the new Anker Everfrost Powered Cooler. But before I get into the details, I'd like to thank Anker for sponsoring this video and providing their 33-liter Everfrost for me to test and review. The Everfrost is a super long-lasting, cordless portable fridge that provides high-performance cooling while completely off-grid. It can even be powered or recharged by a single 100-watt solar panel. This exciting new cooler from Anker will be released this spring, but during this first-come, first-served crowdfunding phase, you can get a 45% discount. Click the links below to reserve your Everfrost powered cooler and claim the discount now. There are a ton of use cases for a portable fridge like this, such as camping, RVing, on a picnic, or even as extra fridge and freezer space at home. With the Everfrost, you'll no longer need to fill your cooler with ice to keep your food and drinks cold. The cooler comes packaged in a sturdy box and includes all of the accessories you need to get going. Inside the box, you'll find the Everfrost powered cooler itself, a car charging cable, an XT60 cable, a 299 watt-hour Anker battery, a wire storage basket that's already installed inside the cooler, an AC adapter and charging cable, and the user manual. With an adjustable temperature range from 68 all the way down to -4 Fahrenheit, you can easily refrigerate or freeze your items. The Everfrost is available in a 33-liter, which is the one I have, a 43-liter, and the dual-zone 53-liter model. The heart of the cooler is the detachable 299 watt-hour lithium battery. The battery could be used and swapped out with a fresh one, or used as a portable battery bank. The 299 watt-hour battery can power the cooler for up to 42 hours on a single charge, with the 33-liter cooler set at 39 degrees Fahrenheit. The 43-liter version will run up to 35 hours, and the dual-zone 53-liter model will run up to 27 hours at 39 degrees Fahrenheit. To extend your runtime, you can carry a spare battery pack, use a portable power station, or simply leave it plugged in using one of the included power cords. If you want to be truly off-grid, you can power and charge the Everfrost using a 100-watt solar panel. The solar input supports an 11 to 30-volt solar charger with an XT60 connector. Anker recommends using their 100-watt solar panel for the best compatibility. The cooler features durable wheels that make it easy to transport, a rugged lid with a nice secure latch that's easy to open. I'm really impressed with the strength of the cover. I've been able to sit and stand on it without any noticeable flex. And it also has a well-built flip-out side table that doubles as the tow handle. The 33-liter cooler with the battery installed is just under 49 pounds. And the overall feel of the cooler is really solid. It feels like it'll hold up to many years of use. While browsing through the manual, I learned that the Everfrost will operate up to 29 degrees of tilt, so you don't really have to worry about keeping it perfectly level. It even has an alarm to let you know if you forgot to close the lid. Anker covers you with a 2-year limited warranty on the Everfrost powered cooler itself and a 3-year warranty on the compressor. It has an efficient cooling system that'll cool down from 77 to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 30 minutes. It's surprisingly quiet with just a faint hum of the compressor in the background. Just kicked on, it's running now. Hear it on the side here. Back. And over here. Pretty quiet. And now standing just a couple feet back, it's nearly silent. If I'm here, I don't think you can hear anything, but if I get in closer, you'll hear it. To me, the power efficiency is really impressive. 42 hours at 39 degrees is pretty remarkable. I would assume they accomplished this with a good cooling system and excellent insulation. The mobile app offers an easy way to control and monitor your cooler. It displays the current temperature and lets you adjust the set point from your smartphone. For the pros, having up to 42 hours of refrigeration without the need for ice or even a power cord is a pretty big advantage. The wheels make it easy to transport, the flat cover and side table give you some place to prepare food and can even be used as a small table. And it's great to have a portable battery bank with you so you can charge all your devices. As for the cons, with all of the towing around, dust and debris might get inside the compressor area. I'm not sure if that would be a problem, but it's just my observation. The manual does indicate that it shouldn't be exposed to rain, which might pose some challenges while tent camping. And the hinge area for the tow handle does flex a little bit, which is expected, but I'll be curious to see how it holds up over long-term use. I've spent a couple weeks using and testing the cooler, but unfortunately, I had some recording issues that caused me to lose all of the audio. It does a great job at maintaining the lowest temperature of -4, and I noticed that it fluctuates between -5 and -2, which kept our ice cream frozen solid. I left it to run in the back of my truck, set at 34 degrees, and plugged into an Anker 757 for 5 days, and it could have easily gone 6. My plan for the Everfrost is to leave it in the back seat of the truck and use it as an extra refrigerator and a place to keep food and drinks cold while on the road. My original intention is that the Anker 757 will be plugged into the truck and will get charged every time I'm driving. When I'm not driving, the Everfrost will run off of the 757. So that means no matter what, the cooler always has power, and the 757 gets to charge whenever I'm driving the truck. So to accomplish this, I already have the cooler plugged in here. Now I'm going to take the car socket adapter for the Anker 757 and plug it into my outlet right there. So I'll plug this into my truck, and then I'll plug this end into the Anker 757. Now yes, I could definitely just plug it directly into here, but my goal is to have several days of runtime. So I think that that's my setup. It's also a great way to transport frozen items home from the grocery store on these hot Texas days. I was really excited when Anker invited me to test out their new Everfrost cooler because it was something I was already shopping for. And so far, I'm really impressed. The new Anker Everfrost cooler will be released this spring, but during this first come, first served crowdfunding phase, you can get 45% off the purchase price. Click the links below to reserve your Everfrost Powered Cooler and claim the discount while it lasts. I'm also going to leave links to the product website and any additional resources that I was able to find while making this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!